The attacker, who has been nabbed by the Mumbai police in the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case, has led to a full-blown political showdown. Remember, after the UBT Sena said that it is the Home Minister himself responsible, and this is being used as political pawn. However, now the BJP says Uddhav government was the one that left Mumbai unsafe. The BJP is attacking Uddhav Sena over the Bangladeshi intrusion into Mumbai. Maharashtra's minister says Uddhav and Didi collusion is on the intruders. That remember, with the intrusion route that has now been established in the investigation by Mumbai police, that he travelled to Mumbai via Bengal, tried to pass off as a Bengali only to realize that he's in fact a Bangladeshi national. We are told now a full-blown showdown on it. Let's listen in to what are the BJP leaders saying on this.
मला वाटतं तो त्यांचा वायफळ प्रयत्न आहे. बोलघेवडेपणा ही ओळख संजय राऊत यांची आणि वायफळ बाष्पीभवन ही ओळख आदित्य ठाकरे यांची, आणि म्हणून त्यांना खुलं आव्हान आहे की तुम्ही आज जो विषय समोर घेऊन बोलताय, म्हणजे अगदी सैफ अली खानच्या मारेकऱ्याबद्दल सुद्धा, तर बांगलादेशी हा घुसखोर बंगालमधून कसा आला, तिकडच्या सीमेवर ममता दीदीचं सरकार बीएसएफला काम करू का देत नाही, बीएसएफचा विरोध का करते, आणि त्या ममता दीदीच्या एका अर्थाने मांडीला मांडी लावून आदित्य ठाकरे उद्धव ठाकरे का बसलेत, कुठल्या मतांसाठी, कुठल्या रंगासाठी, कुठल्या व्यक्तींसाठी, आणि त्यामुळे असुरक्षित मुंबईला सुद्धा करण्याचा डाव पश्चिम बंगाल मार्गे हा त्या ठिकाणी ठाकरे सेनेच्या मदतीने होतोय का, हा सवाल आमचा त्यांना आहे.
Political showdown that if a Bangladeshi can enter into Mumbai and reside there for days, clearly that means that this is because of how the UBT Sena earlier or Uddhav's tenure with the Mahavikas Aghadi left Mumbai unsafe, and then Didi in the collusion as well as a Bengal CM. Vidya joining me for the latest on that. Vidya, this has just taken another route, isn't it? On one side, there's this full-blown investigation happening, and then comes in one, the UBT Sena and BJP. Tell us now how this individual's Bangladeshi identity has led to a showdown in Mumbai.
Well, it's not just in Mumbai, but across the country where, special cities like Delhi, Mumbai, which suffer from, Bangladeshi infiltration. A lot of people from Bangladesh cross over the border and not just come to Kolkata, but to Delhi and Mumbai. And now this kind of a crime really happening has taken this turn. And of course, this is another, however, given boost to the entire investigation. Remember, in the last many days, Mumbai police had been cracking down. The law and order officer in charge in Mumbai, he had already given out orders across 93 police stations and special police stations, special branches as well, asking that illegal immigrants from Bangladesh needed to be picked up. And in fact, what they have noticed is that people who get deported, like a few months ago, there was a person who was deported just about 6-7 months ago. That person was found again in Bandra West after deportation. A few months after his deportation, that person is back. So the police is trying to crack down now on the network of these people, the agents who get these people across the border. How these people land up in Mumbai is something that the Mumbai police is really tracking down right now. In fact, right here in this particular case also, we have seen in Saif Ali Khan case, this investigating officer has been changed. The agent who was responsible for the, bringing of this accused to Mumbai, now they are looking for him. So a different angle of investigation has also been picked up. Now that we know that this person is a Bangladeshi immigrant who had come here, one, to earn some money. As the investigators have said that he, in his first month's earning, he got about 13,000 rupees. Out of that, 12,000 he sent to his ailing mother in Bangladesh and kept only 1,000. And living in such dire conditions when, cost of living in Mumbai is very high. In such conditions, he knew he didn't have the money, and to make in a little quick buck, that's the reason he entered into Saif's residence. So to avoid such kind of incidences again, this particular crackdown on the illegal.
Correctly pointed out, Vidya, that it has to be a nexus. Random individuals can't keep coming to a city like Mumbai that has faced the deadly 26/11 attack sponsored by Pakistan. We've seen the deaths that happened. In this case, was it just him managing to come all the way from Bangladesh through Bengal to Mumbai? Was there another individual involved? And then, of course, how was he staying? However, for now, a political showdown.